Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to reset WordPress website. Let's dive right in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On this page, click on Add New Plugin option at the top left side of the screen. Go to the search bar and search for Reset WordPress Site and then press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options to install. I will choose the WP Reset plugin with 300,000 plus installations, excellent ratings, and mainly compatibility with my version of WordPress. Click on the Install Now button, and after its installation, tap on the Activate button to activate it. The WP Reset plugin will be available to reset the WordPress site. Locate it in the Installed Plugins, and then click on Open a WP Reset Tools. Here you can see the premium plans for it. Next, scroll down to reach the Options Reset section, which is a pro tool to rest the options of your website. Below this section, you will find the Site Reset section. Check the options according to your desire. Type Reset in the box, and click on the Reset Site option. Your WordPress site is reset. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.